to talk about the digital queue. This fun product, we're putting a lot of them in the field now. It's a great resource. It allows your actual loader and attendant just to focus on loading cars and not as much of reordering it, making sure the car gets the right wash. From here, we do take a picture of the front of the vehicle when they're at the pay station. That's transmitted to this device, and we'll actually recognize if someone bought a membership, if their name's in the system. You can welcome them by name, you can welcome them to actually your club. Everything is drag and drop to be able to shift it all around. You can expand to see an entire view. Start your conveyor, stop your conveyor, do a wet down. You can add vehicles. You can do retracts from here as well. Another really cool feature about this is you can go and you can see the progression of the vehicles in your tunnel. And if you need to apply a retract, say somebody clears the photo eyes and your guy notices that they have a giant trailer hitch, you can come in here, you can apply additional retracts after they've already cleared the eyes. So there's a lot of cool features there with that. And you can live stream all your lanes. So if you're maybe in a blind spot, your team can actually go to the lanes side and see actual streams of the lanes of the cameras. So it's quite a bit of detail, very simple to use interface. You can't really go wrong with just drag and drop, moving something over. Hey, I see a red car on the screen, but it's a blue car that's coming at me. Quickly just come over here, shift things over, and you have everything in the order that you wanted. So we added this, and then we added this new camera. It's an LPR camera, and so that's our LPR Smart Queue. And I'm going to show you a little something about that when it reads a plate as the plate is entering the tunnel, and will automatically reorder it. So when I said have your loader thinking about safety and loading people on, that's a great feature to have, where it's just automatically looking at the license plate, moving them from wherever order they're in to the correct spot.